What's up, YouTube? Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Enjoy the video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Trick Daddy. So basically, he got in trouble with the law. This time, he got busted for cocaine and possession and driving under the influence. So Trick Daddy, he was found behind the wheel. He was asleep, and then the police officer that woke him up and was asking him where was he going and where was he coming from. He was telling him he was coming from the club, and he just dropped somebody off. And then when the police had asked him, like, did he have some drinks, and he said he had some drinks like a few hours ago. He was cooperating. And then they seen his eyes, they was red, and, he was stuttering. So they conducted a field test to see if he was under the influence, and they found he was. So they took him to the nearby jail, and he was refusing to take the breathalyzer test to see how much beer was in his system or alcohol was in his system. And then the cops, searched his car, and then they found a dollar bill that has, they believed to have cocaine residue on it. And so after that, he was booked for a DUI, and he was booked for a cocaine possession. So for the cocaine charge, it was set at $5,000, and for driving under the influence, his bond was set at $1,000. But he not new to the system, because in 2014. The police went into, his house in Florida, and they found a gram of cocaine on the nightstand and a 9mm gun under his pillow. And for that case, he got booked in jail, and he bonded out after being charged for possession of cocaine and possession of firearm and ammunition by a convicted felon, and driving without a suspended license. So kind of similar charges that he has now. So basically, the real reason this story went viral was because the mugshot that he had, everybody on the internet was, calling him for it. But honestly, I really thought that he was at the barber, because the way it looked like he was at the barber, and the police just had grabbed him up and they didn't let him finish his haircut. That's honestly how I felt. But later on, they were saying that they ended up finding out he had lupus. So then, that's when it started calming down, and everybody started coming out, apologizing for it and stuff like that. But it got so bad to the point that Trick Daddy ended up responding on Facebook, and he said, "Let me get this right. You like on me, make fun of the fact that I have lupus, and all this for jokes. Thank God I'm strong. Everything is funny until it hits home. My feelings don't hurt easily. I'm too worried about waking up tomorrow." So Trick Daddy ended up, he released this information back in 2009, so it's nothing new. But I guess people didn't put two and two together, or people, didn't know about it. I honestly didn't know about it either, but he said, he had recently just said, "I'm the type of person, I came from so far of a struggle that it don't matter to me. I learned to turn my downsides into jokes and get around it. My mama had 11 children from 10 different men, and if she is strong enough to live with that, I know I can live with this." That's a terrible childhood to know that, your mom had kids with 10 different men. So I guess that's explaining the cocaine and everything. But, in 2015, he was on the Breakfast Club, and he was explaining, why he medicates with cocaine and marijuana. So he said this on air. He said, "When I smoke weed and coke, the worst thing that's going to happen to me is I'm going to go to sleep or eat. If I take lupus medicine, I got to take pill for pill and a pill for that pill. Then I got to go back to the doctor every Thursday and give him the money." I ain't gonna lie, he got a point, but I don't know about the cocaine part. But honestly, we all got our vices, whether it's sports or it's a hobby or it's drugs. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell, and I'm out.